Hello, I'm going to explain Lab 7 assignment of data structure. But first of all, I'm going to explain what is recursive. Recursive function is a function that calls itself in order to solve a smaller version of the same problem. For example, the tree search method in our textbook is recursive. It keeps calling itself to traverse down the tree until it finds the desired key or reaches an external node. However, if the tree is too deep or unbalanced, it can lead to a Stack Overflow error, because each recursive call takes up space on the call stack. To avoid Stack Overflow and make the function safer for large trees, we are asked to rewrite the recursive tree search function iteratively, using a while loop instead of recursive calls. My solution in this assignment: I implement the custom binary search tree using a class called myTreeMap. Then I wrote the get method using an iterative approach like this, as you can see. This function does the same job as the recursive tree search, but it uses a loop so it doesn't cause Stack Overflow. And I created a binary search tree based on textbook. Then I used the put method to insert the following keys, like this. After that, I used the get method to test my iterative search. And when I'm running the program, here is expected result. And here is my second exercise answer. Unlike traditional recursive merge sort, bottom-up merge sort starts with the smallest possible pieces, each element by itself. It doesn't divide the array recursively. Instead, it repeatedly merges small sorted groups until the whole collection is sorted. If I would like to describe our problem, each item is first placed into its own queue, then we use a queue of queues to manage them. In each step, we remove two queues from the front, merge them into one sorted queue, and place the result at the back. We repeat this process until only one queue remains, and this will be our sorted result. And I implemented a class with two main methods. One of them is merge. Merge method takes two sorted queues as input and combines them into a single sorted queue. It compares the front elements of both queues and adds the smaller one to the result, repeating until both queues are empty. Then the second method is bottom-up merge sort method. Places each item into its own queue and stores them in a queue of queues. It then repeatedly merges the first two queues until only one fully sorted queue remains. And if I would like to run my program, you can see the expected result and the correct answer.